I've seen it before. Y'all ready for this to happen? Make some noise! Wait a minute. Now, Hellboy flaked, right? But my boy Joker over there has one of the flyest hydraulic dancers I've ever seen. Can we go hydraulic versus airbag? Can we do that? Now, y'all gotta get behind me. Play some Lolo music. Watch that Lolo come out. Hold on. One of the best in the U.S. 187. One of the best hydraulic dancers I have ever seen. Let's call him out. Hydraulic versus airbag at the same time. Austin, y'all ready to see this? Now, Joker, what do you think, man? You're old school, dog. You're hydraulic. You don't think that airbag thing. What do you think, man? What does the crowd think? I don't know, man. I know y'all are sorting this. I just put it on the fly. What do y'all think? Oh, they both ain't scared. Now, since we're doing hydraulics, I need everybody as back as possible. Little ones, please get back. Everybody on that side, y'all good? Now, y'all in the corner, just please scoot in. Lee, you're good there, dog. You're good there. Y'all over here. This thing, when I say it dances, it dances. All right, let's cut that line. Joker, you one of the baddest, dog. You gonna rep for the hydraulic? Y'all ready? Oh, no heads up. Ooh, this is gonna be good. For some reason, my dad always says, "Sácate el dedo, güey." I don't know what that means. I don't speak Spanish. Let's go. How many of y'all think the hydraulic's gonna take it? Make some noise. How many of y'all think the super airbag dancer's gonna take it? Make some noise. That's my boss right there thinking, what the hell are you doing, Twinkie? This is not scheduled. This is not planned. There's no way he's stopping this. Let's go, DJ C, you ready? Austin, are you ready? Texas Heatwave proudly presents USA Motorsports in one of the biggest battles going on right here. Air versus hydraulic. Y'all make some noise. We're going to count it down. 3, 2, 1. Dance off. Even worse right now. Big shout out to Joker and the 187. None of this was planned. We did it all on the fly, and I'm glad it went down. Y'all are, is somebody smoking a cigarette over there? I see some smoke over there. I'm going to report y'all to the Travis County Expo, people. I don't know. We're going to have a fireworks show in here. Y'all make some noise out there for our friends from USA Motorsports, for all of our friends that entered the hydraulic competition. Houston, San Antonio, they got some free t-shirts they want to give away. Also, while they're cleaning up this, we got some live groups about to go on. We need that stage